In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the default HubSpot score property in your CRM settings. To get started, open your settings by clicking the gear-shaped icon in the upper navigation bar of your HubSpot account. This is the main place where you can manage account-level tools. So if you ever need to adjust system-wide options, this is usually where you'll begin. Once the settings area loads, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct section before moving on. Next, look to the menu on the left-hand side and navigate to CRM, then select Properties. This section contains all of the contact, company, deal, and other CRM properties that HubSpot uses to store and organize your data. Since scoring is built through a property, this is the exact area where you'll make the change. If your account has many options visible in the sidebar, just follow the menu tree carefully so you land in the right place. After that, use the search function to find the default scoring property called HubSpot Score. Searching is the fastest way to locate it, especially if your portal has a long list of custom and standard properties. Once you find HubSpot Score, open it so you can review and adjust the scoring rules tied to it. This property is used to automatically assign numerical values based on contact behavior, which helps your team identify stronger or weaker leads more efficiently. Now you can begin adding positive scoring criteria. These are the actions or behaviors that indicate stronger engagement or better fit. For example, you might assign 10 points when someone submits an inbound form. The idea here is to give more weight to actions that show real interest. As you build these rules, try to keep your scoring consistent and meaningful so the total score reflects actual lead quality rather than just activity volume. You can also add negative criteria to subtract points when a behavior suggests lower intent or poor fit. For instance, you might remove 5 points when a visitor quickly exits a page or shows bounce-like behavior. Negative scoring helps balance the model so contacts aren't ranked too highly based only on a few positive actions. This makes your score more useful for prioritization and follow-up. Once you've finished adjusting both the positive and negative criteria, click Save to apply your changes. After saving, your updated HubSpot score rules